By now, you must know that TikTok is one of the best ways out there to make money, right? So TikTok is powerful. I'm going to share with you 5 genuine and powerful ways how you can go out there and make money on TikTok. Number 5 way is my number 1 recommendation. So make sure you stick till the end of the video. Share this with your friends who wants to make money on TikTok. Like the video if you found it valuable. And without any further ado, let's get into this video showing you how to make money on TikTok. So the first way that we're going to look at when it comes to making money with TikTok is a method called print on demand. Now, there's a website out there. This is the website. It's called printful.com. What this website does, it enables you to create and sell custom products online. When you scroll on this website, you'll see that basically what you need to do is just to create a design and list the price that you want to sell this design for. Printful will actually pack that product, send it to the end customer, and do all the transaction along with customer service. So this is a great way to monetize your TikTok profile. And as you can see here on my TikTok profile, you can basically put a link in your TikTok bio to go to the store that you have those products on that you have on Printful. Another website that you can also get this done on is on teespring.com. They have a very great interface, a very great platform. You basically do the same thing. You create designs. You can use a tool like canva.com to create great designs on it, and then you go on Teespring and put it on t-shirts, on leggings, all these other products for people to buy, print on demand to make money on their TikTok profile. So the second way how you can make money with TikTok is by going live. Let me show you how this works. Now, when you create your TikTok profile, this is my TikTok profile here. After you have reached over 1,000 followers, TikTok will give you the ability to go live on your account. Now, when your followers engage with you, when you engage with them as well, they can actually give you coins. So TikTok have their coins, and these coins actually translate to diamonds, and the diamonds, they translate to actual money that TikTok will pay you out via your PayPal account. So here is some documentation about the money that you can actually earn and the coins when they're translated into real money. So as you can see right here, 100 coins is equivalent to $1.30 basically, and up to 10,000 coins will give you $134.99. So TikTok will pay you out this money when your followers donate diamonds to you in your account. Keep in mind that TikTok will also take 50% of that money. So just so you understand, TikTok takes a portion as well. Now, I am going to leave this link in the description of this video. It actually goes into all that you need to know about live gifting. This breaks down the process, shows you what is live gifting, how you can collect diamonds through live gifts, and they break down the diamonds. Basically, you have to be 18 years old or older for you to participate in this as well. Now, the third way for you to make money with TikTok is by doing something called shoutouts. Now, when you have grown your TikTok account to a certain amount, say 10,000 up to 100,000 followers, you can basically sell shoutouts on your TikTok account. You can use this website. It's called Fiverr.com. The idea is that you're going to create something called a gig, just as you see this person is creating. For example, this person says, I will shout out you on my TikTok account with 7 million followers. So that means on your TikTok profile, you can grow it to whatever number you want, and you can sell shout outs. People actually want people to do this type of thing for them. All right, so as you can see, you can even make $325 right here. This person, for example, has a 4.8 star rating, and this is a level 1 seller. So as you can see, people are making money this way by doing shout outs on their TikTok account. So this is a really booming business. You know, you can start with as little as $5, and you know, you can grow it up to whatever amount you want. But as you can see, this is a legitimate way to even make more money on TikTok once you grow your followers to that level that you are comfortable with. So digging deeper, I have found this particular account on Fiverr. This is a person who is charging this $50 for the basic, and standard is $90, premium is $125. So obviously you can see that there's a lot of power in this particular method. You grow your account and you create your gigs, basically doing shout outs for people who want more traction to their businesses, to their social media, and so on. Hey my friend, if you are enjoying the content so far, go ahead and like the video if you have not done that as yet. This helps the video to reach more people on YouTube so that they too can learn how to make money on TikTok. So go ahead and like the video if you have not done it as yet. Now back to the video. Now, the fourth way to make money with TikTok is with something called brand deals. Now, TikTok has a platform called creator.tiktok.com. Now, this is where brands will come to discover creators to represent their brand on TikTok. Now, in order for you to be on this page, just as you see these creators, TikTok will basically invite you into this platform. Now, the criteria is that you would need to have over 200,000 followers in order to be considered a position on this platform. Now, the amount of money you can make on TikTok as a brand ambassador is staggering. There are reports of people making up to $50,000 to $100,000 per post, basically partnering with a big brand out there. So let's read this little section here for you. Top TikTokers' estimated earnings are about $50,000 to $100,000 per post for a successful brand partnership. In order to reach this amount of success, it is important that the type of content that the TikToker makes relates to the brand in some way. So there are many big brands out there like Nike, Apple, Starbucks that would actually pay brand ambassadors big bucks to get their business out there even more. Now we are at my number one recommended way to make money on TikTok. This is called affiliate marketing. Now I have been making money with affiliate marketing for quite some time now. These are some earning screenshots that I'm sharing with you. $200 right there. We have $1,600 in the course of a week right there. I also was able to earn over $1,500 in one day from this program. Now what affiliate marketing is basically a process of recommending other people's products online, and when people buy the product or even a service, you can make money that way. Now there are two main websites out there where you can go and find products to promote as an affiliate. One of them is clickbank.com. Easy to sign up and get started and find products to promote. You simply start here, and once you sign up, you'll be in the marketplace and you can choose a category on the left side right there and promote it on your TikTok profile. Another popular website out there is called digistore24.com. You can find products on this website, promote it. It depends on your niche. So if you're, for example, in the weight loss niche, this is a product that you could promote and you could earn up to $150 per sale. Many profiles are utilizing affiliate marketing to make money on TikTok, like Manifestation 365. They have a link in their bio that actually goes to an affiliate product and they make money that way. Another TikTok profile out there, Make Him Want, is in the relationship niche. They create content about relationship, and of course people are out there sharing their profiles, sharing their faces, making even money. This is a particular TikTok profile I follow. It's a multiple six-figure earner, definitely making money as an affiliate on TikTok. A good source to learn how to build your affiliate marketing business on TikTok step by step is the 15-second free leads training. A lot of people are leaving tons of testimonials and they're making money on TikTok. The best thing about this particular step-by-step guide is that it costs only $1. So I'll put a link to this in the description of this video so that you can get access. Alright my friend, there you have it. 5 genuine ways to make money on TikTok. Hopefully you like this video, right? So if you did like the video and you did not like it as yet, remember to like the video and also subscribe to get more videos from me whenever time I upload them on YouTube. If you have not checked out my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online, you can check below in the description there. I leave the link to get some training so that you can actually start making a full-time income from your home. Thanks again, my friends. See you in the next video.